Horses sound, they have a safety's goal. Pass the begin, moving up on the outside now is Alin Lahi Symphony. Muralya comes next. Then followed by Long Nose Hawk. Angel Dugo is done in 6. 7th position belongs to Divine Wisdom, Harbor Magic. And just in time is the early trailer. We have Salin Lahi by about 2.5 lengths. Symphony now moving up to take second, and in third is Muralya. Safety's Gold is racing in fourth, and in fifth now is Long Nose Hawk, Divine Wisdom, Angel Dugo, Harbor Magic, and just in time still racing in last. That's still Salin Lahi by Amaralengka. Symphony now rushing about the outside. Salin Lahi, Symphony now moving about the outside to take the leader. It's now Symphony. Salin Lahi draws back in second, and in third Muralya. Long Nose Hawk is racing in fourth, then followed over now by Divine Wisdom just in time. And it's still Symphony by about 3 lengths now. Long Nose Hawk now in second, and in third Muralya. Just in time now in fourth, moving up Angel Dugo, Divine Wisdom. And it's still Symphony by about 4 lengths. Long Nose Hawk just in time, moving up Angel Dugo the outside. But it's still Symphony by about 3 lengths. And finally it's Symphony second. Angel Dugo, then comes Long Nose Hawk just in time, Harbor Magic.
75832 according to Denden.
Yeah.